last time on the Lazy Geckos.
It was a rough night.
Yeah, Reese was like on me, off me. I'm like, oh my gosh.
It was a beautiful morning though.
It is really, really pretty. We're gonna be on the boat alone for a couple days. We're learning how to operate a catamaran, Jeremiah and I, and John is nice enough to teach us.
That is a catamaran that's been demasted.
Took a big wave or a big wind or broke structure, and the rig came down. So probably in those seas and that wind that we were tolerating at the anchorage last night, they were trying to save their rig.
And now they're dragging it through the salt water.
Anytime you lose your rigging and it goes over the side, it can punch a hole in your boat and sink you. So it goes from disaster to life-threatening disaster real quick.
We just do this until the sun comes up enough to be able to see.
We got radar over here. There's the shoreline to Florida. And somewhere up there is Key West.
Somewhere up there.
Somewhere up there. They promise it's out there.
Do you see the horizon?
Yeah, it's beautiful, right?
Oh yeah. Laundry. Yay.
One of the joys of living aboard, laundromats. We do have a washer on board, but for the big jobs, we hit these. Boca Chica is a small air base near Key West. Jeremiah used to deploy here at times when he was in the Marines. This little military restaurant/bar is great. Local, friendly, and relaxing. Just what we needed for the night. It's so nice of John to trust us with his boat while he's away. We're currently considering a deal for us to take Calypso off his hands. This was a perfect time to try her out.
Woke up this morning with the sunrise in my eyes, just like a new day, a breath of fresh air in my.
Now we are operating the boat alone.
Yeah, man.
It's the duo once again. Actually, I should say trio because we got a little boy. What'd you think?
What I'm docking, it was sweet, dude. Bow thruster's the bomb, right?
That went more smoothly, or however you say that, than it's ever gone 2 years on the Gecko.
Yeah.
Crazy.
It's a lot different, that's for sure. You just hit, you know, with the stern thruster and bow thruster, you can just push yourself away from the dock, and then you can do opposite and spin the boat right there in the spot. It's amazing.
It was insane, and I was able to slip lines and the boat didn't even move.
Yeah. Yeah, I can hold it there against the dock. How cool is that?
Amazing.
Yeah. Totally different, that's for sure.
You got us on track. Where are we headed?
We're gonna go down this out the Boca Chica inlet, and then we're gonna go right back into Stock Island Marina. We're gonna pick up some fuel. Try Tortugas, baby. To the stop of the Marquesas.
Marquis or whatever?
Marquesas.
Marquesas.
Yeah.
And then dry
Pirate
Tortugas.
ship. Damn it, there's a freaking pirate ship. So tomorrow the president comes here and they're gonna close this channel down. So it's good that we're leaving today, you know? We don't have to deal with being stuck.
It's pretty cool though. We got to see Air Force One fly over the other day.
No, that was Marine One.
Oh, Marine One.
Yeah.
My bad, my bad.
Yeah. So Air Force One will come when the president comes.
Yeah.
Hi, we're a 44-foot catamaran. We'd like to pull up to your fuel dock and get some diesel if possible.
Absolutely, not a problem. Are you in the channel now?
Yes, ma'am. We are coming in right now. We passed 3 and 5.
Copy that. We have SWAT team out on the fuel dock. They will be ready to assist with flying.
Oh, it's sweeter first time around. Oh, it's sweeter the time here and now. Oh, it's sweeter the first time around.
Keep looking.
Reese, who's the captain? You're the captain?
No, you're the swab.
No, Captain. Like Captain.
Who's swab?
Captain.
Who's the swab?
That's you.
What?
Yeah.
What's mom?
Cap. Wow, like you.
Swab like me?
Yeah.
What the heck? You better start doing more around this building.
Yeah. Where are we going, Captain Reese?
And no.
You don't know?
Yeah.
I think it's Captain Daddy.
Captain me.
It's rare that we have great conditions. Today is amazing, following winds and seas. It was time to set sail.
Still got service?
I do. I have like 1 out of 4 bars.
That'll be gone soon.
I know. I like to when I see things out here, like the little islands and stuff, I like to look them up and what they're about and try to find things out.
The service didn't last long though. Soon we were on our own, headed for some beautiful islands.
What do you think about this morning's sail?
Oh, it was great. It's so funny because, you know, usually when we take off on our boat, I guess because it was smaller, it felt like a lot of work. So this morning I was kind of like, I don't feel like I'm doing enough. Like there's stuff that we're missing, but no. Pulled off the dock. It was great, nice and calm. You did a great job. Pulled in for fuel. That went beautifully. It was amazing. And then we took off and it's been calm waters. No more than ones. I haven't seen any twos out here. Have you?
No, it's been great. Oh look, sea turtle. Squirrel!
What?
It just went down.
No.
Yeah, it went down.
Gosh darn it. But anyway, it's a little windier than what we thought. Well, I guess we knew it was going to pick up to 15. It has been 10, but you know what? It's great because it's giving us a breeze.
We chose this sweet, secluded anchorage just west of the Marquesas. Tomorrow, we'll hop the 40 miles or so to the dry Tortugas. But tonight, we decided to launch Fiesta to take in the beauty that was all around us.
Okay, just woke up. The first thing I do is search for dolphins every morning. We are at the Marquesas, about to leave for the dried tortugas, and I see no dolphins at all. Oh, that was something. Not a dolphin. Okay, time to go wake the husband up. This should be fun. People have been asking for a morning routine, so this is it at its finest. And yep, you pick up your phone. But guess what? We have no service.
Don't put an anchor away.
Oh, okay.
I don't see that making real light. That goes up.
Sorry.
Push this button. Let it start up. Hold the button.
Oh, it's a lot different than our last generator. I could have totally done that.
We're gonna charge the battery, which charges the starting batteries, which just gets everything going good and nice and charged up, and then it's easy on the alternators. Then flip the generator on and parallel on. Then it's a diesel generator, you want to put them under a load, so flip a few things on. Air conditioning salon, air conditioning port. With a DC water maker, you don't have to run the generator, but since we're sitting here for an hour running it, I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Just make sure your fresh water pump's on, and you just hit the button once. And now it's gonna make water for an hour.
If you want 2 hours, you hit it twice. My morning routine is a little different. It consists of moisturizer for my face and coffee. Yeah, I'm a coffee freak. So little press, actually this press a patron gave to us along the way as we were cruising in Marathon. Mine broke as it fell out of the galley, and I knew they were there. I asked them if they had the press that I had sent them for being a patron, and they said yes. I didn't realize it was this big, so I really owe them. I messed up that one, and I'm still using it. I'm the only one that drinks coffee on board. First, I must turn on the LP gas. Every time I get my coffee in the morning and we're on the boat, or, you know, living on the boat, I come out and I watch for dolphins or sea turtles and all the sea life. Usually you see them early in the morning or like at sunset, but I haven't seen any. It's a great way to enjoy your coffee, especially when it's not cold or hot.
Some other boats over there. Nobody got an early start today.
Nope. Well, I feel like we did. It's like
We're not even started yet.
We're waiting on the generator.
Yeah, that means we haven't started.
Sure we have.
I mean like going.
Yeah, I know. How far is our trip today?
40 miles.
40 miles, averaging
6.5, 7.
knots.
Yeah.
All right.
So we'll get there.
We will. Before sunset, and that's all that really matters.
Yeah,
So you
way
can watch
before
the sun go down with sundowners.
Yeah.
Right, I'm excited. I know a lot of people that have gone. They talk about it, they say it's great. We have perfect weather. We couldn't have asked for a better weather window, right?
Yeah.
So, should be good.
Yep.
Finish my coffee and we'll go.
Alright, so we basically just turn on the yacht controller down here, which these throttles. Flip on autopilot, instruments, radios. Let's let everything kind of power up. And then for the auto throttles, this is like a fly-by-wire type system. He installed this. You hold command down. This is basically puts it in a mode that you can rev the engines without it going in gear. Tell by the little yellow deal there, little yellow flashing light. We're going to turn on the port engine instruments, coming on. There we go. And now we'll do the starboard. See it's coming on. And we're in neutral, and we're going to start the port engine.
It's a beautiful sound right there.
Take it up to 1,000. Just get it out of a little dip right there. Alright, then we'll start the starboard. Go to 1,000. Then I just let them warm up, and then I'll switch everything else on. Turn the anchor light off. I'll let them warm up, and then I'll bring the throttles back to neutral, and then I'll just hit this little warm stick button, and then now we can engage the transmission. So that's pretty much it.
Good job.
Next time on the Lazy Geckos.
It gets freaking hot in there.
I think we'll be there like 10 hours. We're coming into the dry tortuga gauge.
This is cute. Do you like this? It's coming right for us.
They drop the anchor and then they're like,
I couldn't be more proud.
You have Instagram? Why not follow us? You can get all sorts of real-time news, photos, and more. Check us out at Lazy Gecko Sailing. Our episodes are fueled by our patrons. See even more fun on our Vimeo channel.